The arbitrator in this case found more than 2 years ago that both parties were at fault. Bruning for exercising poor judgment and abuse of power, and the city for having an unacceptable bias against Bruning during the investigation. So he said the termination should not stand, and instead that Bruning should be suspended for 6 months without pay and then fully reinstated. But the city has been unable to accept that decision.
He found that I did wrong and that both parties did wrong. You know, I accept that. I'm ready to move on and get it behind me.
That decision has been tied up in legal wranglings. The city first appealing to district court, then the appeals court. Both have upheld the arbitrator's decision.
And they keep coming up with the same resolution as put this behind you guys and move on. And for whatever reason, the forces that be in Guthrie keep just ramming it down the taxpayer's throat that we are going to fight this.
Adams says he offered to waive his fees after the arbitrator's decision, but because the city has decided to fight, he says between pay owed to Bruning and attorney fees, the city is out between $400,000 and $500,000.
We keep having to go to court. We keep winning. I don't know what else we can do. It's just, it continues to be a slaughter for them, but then they keep just sitting up there and throwing away the taxpayers' money like it's a joke.
I have no ill will towards the city of Guthrie.
Bruning says he wants to return to the force and finish out his law enforcement career in the city he loves.
I love law enforcement. I started in Guthrie when I was 20. I want to end in Guthrie. I'm from Guthrie. I grew up there. I have family there.
We spoke with several residents in Guthrie today. Some want Bruning back on the force and some don't. But most agree that they want this to come to an end. The city could still decide to appeal to the state Supreme Court. Back to you.